Maruho Hatsujyo Innovations is a global leader and innovator in the blister packaging machinery industry. We are a subsidiary of Maruho Company, which is a major pharmaceutical company based in Japan. MHI is located in Erie, Colorado, as the headquarters for Maruho's business development in the United States. We are backed by decades of experience in producing only the highest quality blister machines. We have installed over 230 machines in Japan, giving us the top market share in low-speed production machines. Our commitment to quality and innovation makes us the leading choice in the industry. We have a team of engineers that are dedicated to creating custom solutions for your applications. We provide them with engineering solutions and customized tooling that best meet their product packaging needs. MHI serves from major industries: pharmaceutical, nutraceutical, medical device, and food. MHI's machines are lightweight, compact, and versatile. They require a single operator and can be used in a wide range of applications. The Eagle series of blister packaging machines offer solutions that will meet all of your packaging needs. The Eagle Omni is one of MHI's flagship machines. It is compact for its production rates and features recipe-driven format changing. Toolless changeover. Platen sealing with options for printing perforation and a variety of feeding solutions. The Eagle RX is MHI's pharmaceutical machine. It has been designed for pharmaceutical standards with nutraceutical budget in mind. This machine features rotary sealing, which provides a more secure seal for blister packaging. Multi-zone heating, allowing for a variety of materials, and toolless changeover, which is great when you change from another. Eagle LP. The Eagle LP supports both thermoforming and cold foil forming, affordable option for mid to low production and small batch runs. Perfect for R&D, clinical trials, and stability testing. We prioritize our customers above all else. Let our Eagle the work for you. With the Eagle series, you can maximize, increase efficiency, and deliver the best products for your customers. Maruho Hatsujyo Innovations. We are more than just packaging.